Here we are, back here at the Green Hornet. We've got a cool thing in front of us. The new Escort Max 360C connected. The C stands for connected. Wi-Fi built into the detector. Meant for your connected car. The Wi-Fi coming from your vehicle can connect to this device all the time while you're driving, making sure you're up to date with all of the latest threats. Let's check it out. So like I said, guys, right here with the Escort Max 360C. Take a look at the box here. Got a lot of cool information on the back we'll go over. Front. There's the bottom. So I'll drop a link in the description below where you can purchase this at Escort's website, as well as any of the information for downloading the updates and their database and things of that nature. It's the Escort Max 360C. This is the new version of the Max 360. The Max 360 was Escort's top-of-the-line radar detector. It's Escort's multi-directional 360 radar detector with arrows built in. It's my favorite radar detector. When they announced the Max 360C, I was very excited. The connectability part seems pretty cool, but I also just really like the redesign of the case. I like how the arrows are all on the outside. You can see here down on the box, the arrows are on the outside around here, and I think that's really cool how they designed it. I like the look of the screen and everything, even though it's basically the same, but I like it a lot better. I think it's going to look really cool in the Green Hornet, and I'll probably just put the other Max 360 in the Rebel. So let's take a look at the box here. The Max 360C, it's an intelligent 360-degree radar laser detector. It's intelligent in the fact that it has its own GPS chip built in. With that GPS chip, it will automatically learn where you are, where false alerts in your town are. It will store them in the detector without you having to do anything. Very handy feature of the Escort Max 360 and the Max 360C. Escort has a thing called Escort Live. Escort Live is the mobile application that you can connect to some of their detectors, including the Max 360 as well as the Max 360C, over built-in Bluetooth on the device itself. Escort Live connects to other people's radar detectors, other people that have Escort Live enabled radar detectors, and when they get an alert on their radar detector, you will get an alert as well. That is really cool. I use it all the time. And the cool thing about the Max 360C is you no longer need your phone to be connected to Bluetooth. It says right here on the box, connected cars Wi-Fi provides crowdsourced alerts and software update. That's what's so cool about the Max 360C and why I'm so excited to finally have one. I want to go over just a couple more things here. If you look on the back of the box, now if you'll see here on the picture, right there, you see a 55 mile per hour and a 45 right there. Now that's a really cool feature when you are connected to either Escort Live via Bluetooth or with this device over the internet in your car. And it will show you the known speed limit on the road as well as your current speed. So I'm excited that the Max 360C will have it on all the time since my car's Wi-Fi will be connected constantly. Intelligent auto learn technology, basically that's their patented GPS learning technology on the GPS chip. The IVT filter. The IVT filter is what makes the Max 360, most likely the Max 360C now, the best radar detectors on the market in my opinion. Pretty much nowadays it is impossible to not get false alerts all day in a cheap radar detector because of all the cars on the road that are using K-band for their crash avoidance systems. This radar detector, as well as a lot of other ones, there's the Uniden and Valentine, and there's a lot of good ones on the market. They all do a good job filtering out these types of bands. However, I feel like the Max 360 is the best one at it, and I'm curious to see how the 360C is. It is supposed to be better, which leads us into our next point here. So they say on their website that the new Max 360C builds on the patented DSP technology, which is their digital signal processing. They say it's the fastest available, it sees further, quicker, and more accurately than any radar detector on the market right now, including the Max 360. So now that we have both of them, we're going to be testing that for you guys. So I'm curious to see how that works out. But like I said, that's what they claim, and it's supposed to be great. So you see Defender database. The Defender database is an online database. You typically would need to plug your detector in with a USB cable to your computer to update. If it stays connected to your Wi-Fi network in your car, it's going to be updated all the time. Just because this is intended for Wi-Fi in your car, that doesn't mean that it can't connect to Wi-Fi anywhere else. So it can connect to the Wi-Fi in your house. Let's say you don't have a connected car. Well, this can still be beneficial to you for the simple reason that you have Wi-Fi in your house. Well, now every time you pull into your garage or park outside of your house, your detector will download the latest software and the latest Defender database every time you come home. So that's a feature in and of itself that you're not going to get with any other detector. You're going to have to pull it out of your car and plug it in. Defender database is their database that they keep up to date with speed cameras, speed traps, and red light cameras. Multicolor OLED display, it'll show you multiple signals, and it will show you your speed on the road and the speed that you're driving. And it's dual language, so it includes English and Spanish voice and text. So that's pretty cool for our Spanish-speaking friends. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, guys, here we are. We're going to open up the Escort Max 360C. Just a slip cover on the box here. It did come with some plastic wrap on it, but it was pretty torn up from the shipping, so I went ahead and took it off before the video started. So we'll go ahead and set our sleeve off to the side here. Open up our box here. Let's see what we have. Congratulations! We trust you will enjoy your high-performance Escort detector. If you have questions about your detector or its many features, our customer service experts are here to assist you. Well, that's cool. You will see we've got a notice here right when we open it up. Please do not return this product to the store. Contact Escort directly for service and support. So we'll set this box off to the side. And here's what comes in the box. So it looks like it's in its case. Actually, it's packaged exactly the same way as the Max 360. It's almost even using the same exact box. It looks like they didn't really put too much effort in redesigning packaging. So you've got a quick reference guide here. Go over all the stuff you need to know. Pretty straightforward and simple though, but it will cover how to set up your settings and all of that stuff. That's one thing that this detector is very good at. I like all the different modes it has. You also get this carrying case that it looks like the detector is already packaged up in. Looks the same exact case that the Max 360 came with. Thank you for purchasing the industry's leading radar detector for your ticket protection. Please contact us if we can be of any further service to you. Oh, that's nice. Same thing came with my Max 360 as well. I will say that this carrying case they give you is really nice though. It's really high quality. I actually use it all the time. I leave it in my car, and anytime I need to take the detector anywhere, it goes out in this. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got inside. Looks like we've got our new mag mount right there. We'll set that out here. Probably going to be our smart cord. Yep, USB smart cord. You got a USB charger in it. Star of the show, the Max 360C itself. Man, this looks really good. I just love the redesign so much more than the old Max 360. That was the only thing I didn't like about the Max 360. I mean, I love the design of the other one, but it seems like they really streamlined it with this, and I'm all about it. There it is, guys. Man. Put it up here a little bit, you can get a good look here. You can see the arrows on the side there, your screen. This is where your magnetic mount will clamp on, right there. There's the Max 360C. Let's set it off to the side. Check out this new USB smart cord that they're calling it. I won't be using this. I have my radar detectors wired in with the mirror tap accessory. I'll put a link in the description below for the install video about that, as well as a link to where you can purchase the mirror tap. That's the only way to go with these radar detectors. You got to get the mirror tap installed. Take a look at this new mount that they're talking about. This is interesting. They really sealed this thing up here. They're proud of this mount. All right, okay, there we go. There we go. Get out of here. So there's our magnetic mount. Looks like that. Oh yeah, I see how it works. Just like that. Oops. Okay, maybe it doesn't work like that. There we go. Just like that. Your mount has an adjustable piece right here, and it has clicks each adjustment point. Okay guys, now that we have our box open and everything set out and pulled out of the plastic, go over a few things about the radar detector itself. So let's grab our Max 360C, take a good little look at it here again. So you've got the mute button right here, sensitivity button, that'll change your settings. Again, auto no X, highway, and auto low K are the settings that you can put it in. Got a power button here in the middle. Mark button here, which is useful for marking locations that you want to signal out as false alerts. Brightness, control the brightness of your OLED screen right there. Plus and minus button for the volume. Mini USB connector right here. You've got the RC11 connector there. Looks like your speaker there. Nice little overview of the unit. It will detect X-band 10.525 gigahertz all the way to 25 megahertz. It will detect K-band 24.150 gigahertz to 100 megahertz. Ka-band 34.7 gigahertz to 1300 megahertz. And laser 904 nm to 33 megahertz. So that's what it's going to detect. And like they say online, they improved on their DSP, their digital signal processing, which is a patented process by Escort. Apparently this this is their best one. It's going to see further, more accurate than any other detector on the market, and it's supposed to alert you quicker as well. I'm looking forward to testing it out. Well, there we have it, guys. There's a look at everything that comes in the box. You've got the Max 360C itself here, the carrying case, the easy mag mount, the new USB smart cord. It's expensive. Is it worth the money? We'll find out when we do the test. Is it worth the upgrade from the Max 360? We'll find out when we do the test. I'll be putting links in the descriptions below. We'll be testing it out, comparing it to the Max 360. Lots of cool things coming to the channel. So like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the Escort Max 360C unboxing on the Green Hornet. Got lots more videos coming your way. Stay tuned. See you next time.